Storing messages consists of creating folders and organizing all incoming and outgoing mail. An efficient way of storing messages is by creating folders. First, let's scroll the mail group and return to our inbox screen. Let's click the drop-down arrow on the first button from the left in the toolbar. We see a menu with several options. The last option, Folder, is the one we want to use. We click Folder and see the Create New Folder dialog box. The name field is where we type the name of the new folder. We type Old Messages. The Folder Contains field allows us to choose what type of items the folder will store. We can click the drop-down arrow to see a list of choices. Mail items is what we want, so we press Escape to keep this setting. We can now choose to make this new folder a subfolder of any folder that we currently have. We'll choose to make this a subfolder of the Personal folder. We click Personal Folders to highlight it. We can also type a description of the new folder in the description box. We'll leave this blank for now. At the bottom of the dialog box, we see an option for creating a shortcut of the new folder in the Outlook bar. This option is activated by default. We click OK, and the new folder is created, along with its shortcut in the Outlook bar. Let's scroll to the bottom of the Outlook bar and see the new folder shortcut. We can also rename folders. Let's right-click on the new folder, and from the shortcut menu, click Rename Shortcut. We type a new name and press Enter. We can move items easily with Outlook 97. First, we need a few mail messages in our inbox. Let's click the Other group, and then click the My Computer icon. In the Message area, let's double-click the C drive icon. This will display a list of all folders and files on our hard drive. We'll locate our Learning folder and double-click it to view the contents. Now, using the Control key, we click on all the files that are Outlook items. With all of these files highlighted, we now click and drag the items and place the cursor on the Mail group. When the inbox can be seen, we drop these files onto it. These sample mail files will be copied to our inbox. Now we have some messages to work with in our inbox. Let's click on Inbox to see the items. Notice how cluttered it is. We can move items to other folders to better organize the mail we receive. Let's click on one of the messages in our inbox and drag it to the renamed Mail folder. The file disappears and is placed into this folder. We can drag multiple items by clicking on an item, then pressing and holding the Control key, and clicking on each individual item we want to move. We release the Control key and see both items highlighted. Now let's click and drag one of the highlighted folders to the folder we created. Both items are moved simultaneously to the new folder.